Adding custom values to your Edge and WAF logs is a really powerful way of tracking the most important information. So for example here, I've looked for all logs with a user agent present, and I can see this tweet meme bot is a user agent. I don't want to tolerate that user. I want to make sure that we're aware of it. I don't want it to fly under the radar just in case something malicious begins to happen. So what I can do is I can set up custom enrichment. Now the way custom enrichment works is I can create a custom enrichment here. I can give it a name. I can select a file here, and this file is a CSV file. I add the CSV file, and I can actually map that to a given key, which I'll show you in a moment. So what does the CSV file look like? Well, we have a list of user agents on the left-hand side. This first column is your mapping value, so it's the field that needs to appear in the log. For example, you can see tweet meme bot, which matches the value here. We then map that to a few columns, whether it's known, we've seen it before, whether it's an impact score, what the impact score is. So for example, a score of 0 to 10 indicating whether it's a danger or not, 10 being severe and 0 being not, and should alert. In other words, if we see this user agent at any point, should we trigger an alarm and wake people up? So this is a really powerful way of getting business data into your log so you're not constantly analyzing just the technical information. Now, there's lots and lots of different things you can do here. You can add as many columns as you like. It's really important to remember that first column is where your mapping data will appear. So really important. This first row here is your titles. This is how the UI, how Coralogix knows what to name the key. So is known, true, impact score, number, should alert, true or false, for example. Now, adding this is really easy. We've added the file already. We can give it whatever name we want. Bots enrichment, for example, and then we just click create. And now we have the bots enrichment here. We can select the key. So I'll select the existing user agent key and add key. Now, every time a user agent appears, Coralogix will check it against that CSV and make sure that it's in place. This will allow you to really easily dive into what is a problem and what isn't. And because it's an external file, another team can manage it and just regularly upload it to Coralogix. And by the way, you can use the API. We'll explore that in a use case thing in a second. However, this is just a really nice example of how to get business data into your logs with very, very little effort and very little automation necessary.